In this video, we are going to see how we can use ChatGPT for making our presentation or PowerPoint presentation. So for this, you have to go open chatgpt.openai.com and then just type uh, this. Uh, Actually, I am copying this to get anything you want the presentation on any topic. I want a VBA code with animation on data science. So let's throw in. So it will generate a VBA code too for presentation. So let's check this out how it is creating. So now it is taking some time because I also tell told ChatGPT to include animation on presentation. That is why it is taking too long time. So it is now created for 5 slides. So copying this code and then open the PowerPoint. Then this is PowerPoint and just press Alt plus F11 plus F11 F11 F11. So I'm pressing Alt plus F11. So it is opening a VBA terminal. So click on insert, then click on module and just paste here the VBA codes. So it is pasting here. Now hit on run button. So you can see here it has created the uh, the slides on or the presentation on data science. So you can see how it has created the data science journey. So let's check this out. It is working well or not. So yes, it is with animation. You can check this out. So animations are not just not here. Only animations on starting only. So nothing worry. It is also a good presentation. Not bad. It is saving our time. So thanks for watching this video.